Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to design interactive report in Power BI by using different visualizations. So let's start with video. So here first we'll open the Power BI tool. So within search box, just type Power BI. Now see here it is showing icon for Power BI. So just double click on it. So friends, if you have not installed Power BI on your machine, please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Power BI. Okay. Once you open this Power BI, just click on blank report. Now see friends, if we are going to create a report here, we need dataset for it. So we are going to use the sample data only. So here sample data is provided. So just click here, use sample data and just click on this load sample data. From this, I'm going to take this financials data. So just select this financials and click on this load option. Okay. Now in this way, we have imported the financials data here, and this contains dataset contains these many number of different columns available within this dataset. Okay. So first we'll see how to create different type of charts. So for this purpose, just you have to double click on this window so that here you can enter your required value. So I want to create donut chart for country and sales column. So I will give the name as countries space sales space donut, name of the required type of chart. So just click on this and just click on this arrow. Now see, this chart is created by using values which are present within this financials table. If you see in table view, this financial table contains different values for these different columns. Okay, here is a country and sales column is here. So according to sales and countries column, this report is created for this report is created in donut chart format. Now suppose I want to import the funnel chart. So for that purpose again double click here. Again within funnel chart, suppose I want to use columns as a product and another column sales. So I will give product space sales space and I want to use funnel chart. So I will give the name funnel and just click here. Now see, funnel chart is created by using the values which are present in this financial table. Okay. Again, if I want to use the map, now friends, sometimes for that map features are not enabled. For that purpose, you have to enable the features for map. For that purpose, you have to select the option files, then options and settings. Again, you will get options here. Again, from the options, you have to select. Okay. After from this global, you have to select the security option. And from these security options, you have to select this option, use map and field maps. Check with whether this option is enabled or not. Otherwise, you will not be able to create the map. And just click on OK button. Now to create the map, again just double click here and pass the values. I want to create map for countries and sales and map. So it will create the map here according to your table. So next we'll create the pie chart. So we'll see how to create pie chart. Again just double click on this window Again, pass the values here. For pie chart, I will use the values segment, then cells. Again, I'm going to use pie chart, so I will type pie and just click on this arrow. So it will show the pie chart according to your values. After that, suppose we want to use the line chart. Again, double click. Same method to create each and every type of this visualization effect. So I will use here for line chart, I will use here product space date, and suppose I want to use sales also, then line chart. Okay. Again, click here. Now, according to your values, again line chart will get created. So you can drag and drop this as per your requirement. Again, we can create bar chart also. So bar chart, again double click and pass the values. Suppose I'm passing date and sales and bar chart. So bar I have written and just click here. Bar chart is created by using the date and set sum of cells. So in this way you can here you can import different types of visual effects, that is different types of chart. Again, here you can give the name. Suppose I'm going, so I have inserted text box. Just you have to click here on text box. So text box will get inserted here. Suppose I want to give the name as, suppose value is 24, sales analysis report. So sales analysis report. Again, you can change its font size. Suppose Calibri font size is 32. Again, boldness, then italic form with underline. I want it at center. Color I want to change, so I will do it as a pink. So in this way you can do formatting for this text also. So here we can give the name as a sale analysis report. Now see, I can change background also. For that purpose you have to select view option. From view, again different themes you will get. Suppose I want to use this theme, so this theme will get applied to my report. As per your choice, you can change the visualization and you can create report in Power BI. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.